Kenyan content creator Kennedy Odhiambo, also known as Crazy Kennar, has caused concern among his fans by sharing a mysterious message on his social media accounts. The message, which says, "Depression is real," accompanied by broken heart emojis, has led some to believe that he may be going through a difficult time. However, Kennar has not provided any further details about his current situation. Speculation about a potential fallout within his crew has added to the concerns. Fans have noticed that Kennar and his crew members have unfollowed each other on social media, fueling rumors of a breakup. The latest crew member to unfollow Kennar on Instagram is Yvonne Kiza, who posted a cryptic message about toxic people pretending to be victims. This follows the actions of other crew members, Bushra Sakshi and Africa's, who had also unfollowed Crazy Kennar, further intensifying speculation about a fallout. In May, Stanley Amondi, a regular in Kennar's skits, had stopped appearing in his videos. Stanley clarified that there was no animosity between him and the comedian, and he had decided to work independently to pursue his passion for cinematography. Crazy Kennar's girlfriend, Natalie Asewe, also added to the cryptic messages on Instagram, seemingly taking a jab at Kennar's female team members. She posted, "Fear women," on her Insta stories shortly after Yvonne Kiza unfollowed Kennar. "We will be following this closely and we will keep you updated on what happens." To get more news, leave a like and comment below this video. Also don't forget to subscribe to the Kenyan News channel.